Hi everyone, here we've got OUKITEL WP5 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to actually very bottom and tap on the system. Here we've got the languages and input, so simply tap on it and tap on languages on the very first position. And as you can see here, we've got the list of previously added and applied languages. We've got only English right now. So in order to add new one, just tap on add a language, and here we've been just transferred to the full list of available languages from which we could choose. So all you have to do is simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So I will pick French, for example, just tap on it. If you can choose the region, just like I can, all you have to do is simply tap on the one you'd like to use. So I will pick France. And as you can see, the French language simply appeared on this list, but the English is still a main language. So in order to change it, in order to set new language as a main one, all you have to do is simply tap on it and hold it and drag it to the very first position. Just make sure that it is on the very first place. And after a second, you can see that the whole system from now on, the whole menu, will be in the chosen language. Let's check, and it's also here. So let me show it to you again. Just go back to the languages. I want to check into the English, so just tap on it and hold it and drag it to the very first position. And the same situation, it also immediately changes. So actually this is how to change the language, and right now I will show you how to remove the language from this list, because for some reason you do not need both of them or three of them. So all you have to do is simply tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now we have to mark the one we'd like to remove, and in my case it will be French, so just tap on the trash bin icon and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, it immediately disappears from the list. So actually that's all. This is how to change system language in your OUKITEL WP5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.